Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to update your Uphold account information. Let's get straight into the video. The first step, of course, is to open the Uphold website or the mobile app and log into your account using your email address and your password. Next, you want to navigate to account settings. So just click on the profile icon or your name in the top right corner of the screen, and then select account settings or profile. Next, you want to update your personal information such as your name, email address, phone number, or your address. Next, you can update your security information. You could update your Uphold account password, or you could update your two-factor authentication. You could also update your verification information here, and you can do things like identity verification, address verification, and whatnot. Once you're done with all that, you want to review the changes that you've made to your Uphold account information and confirm that they are all accurate. Then you want to submit the changes to your Uphold account information. And yeah, that's pretty much it on how to update your Uphold account information. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found it useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one.